Greetings to all the finance-savvy hamsters out there. Technology is constantly amazing us, especially with recent advancements in AI. But how can such innovations assist us in our financial strategies? Well, today I've picked out a video just on this topic. And it's not about everyday users mixing AI with trading. We're talking about major companies employing these technologies. Let's listen closely.
If you put $1 in S&P 500 in 1988, it's $42 today. If you put $1 in Berkshire Hathaway with Warren Buffett, it's $154 today. But if you would have put $1 in the Medallion Fund in 1988, you know how much it's at today? $44,000. They crushed it so well with this AI. That's a secret AI that they don't give access to anybody. That guess what they said in 1995? They said, we're not taking new money anymore in this fund. You know what they did in 2005? They called all their clients and said, hey, take your money out. Moving forward, this fund is only for current and previous employees. What did they figure out?
Wow, that reeks a bit of conspiracy, doesn't it? What's this secret fund all about? Now I want in too. But hey, we've also got a big hamster community here, and we're always welcoming new folks. But seriously, the advancements in AI are truly stunning. It's no longer just about asking a bot to crunch some Excel tables. It's becoming a genuinely powerful tool in financial matters. Just remember to keep growing in this direction and learn to use AI effectively. After all, even the coolest tool is useless without a master's touch, right? Don't miss our new releases to stay updated on the latest innovations. See you in the next video. And remember, hamsters are power, one for all and all for one. Greetings, my finance-loving hamsters! Today, let's dive into something deeper than just investment strategies. Let's talk about our self-esteem and mindset on the path to success. Many might think that successful people got where they are simply because they were confident and unwavering in their goals. But it turns out it's not that straightforward. Certain studies have been conducted and the findings from experts have surprised many. Just listen to this.
Big mistake a lot of people don't realize, which is if you do really well and you don't believe in yourself, you don't become secure. A lot of people think that becoming secure is about being successful. That's not the case. If you're really successful, you don't end up with security. You end up with imposter syndrome. So I went to Tufts for medical school and I did my residency training at Harvard. And what I saw is that the more successful you become, that increases the rate of imposter syndrome. There's way more imposter syndrome at Harvard than there is at the University of Texas. There's way more imposter syndrome at a place like Goldman Sachs than there is at Bank of America. So lots of success actually creates this idea that everyone else is so much better than me. So we see actually lots of success leads to imposter syndrome. Confidence doesn't come from success, it comes from surviving failure. It's also far more internal. So it's not something that anyone else gives you. It's like when you believe in yourself, then you're confident. And then the beautiful thing is that once you believe in yourself, then other people can think whatever they want to about you.
Wow! I feel like even Freud would get twisted up in such a paradox. From this video, I've learned that we shouldn't pay too much attention to what others think about us. Learning from others' experiences and listening to their advice is one thing, but having confidence in yourself is something entirely different and very important in my opinion. Believe in yourself, friends. Don't measure your achievements by comparing them to others. Otherwise, it might turn into an endless race where it's hard to recognize the success you've already achieved. Don't miss our new episodes to continue gaining wisdom with us. See you in the next video. And remember, hamsters are power, one for all and all for one.